What is good, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. Back with another vlog. So we're here at my pad this time. Not gonna be at the shop today. I've been driving around the E36 the past couple days. I've been having a lot of fun with it, so that's why we're gonna be working on it at the pad today. And I have the garage open, so why not? But it's my first time seeing the E36 and the S2K together. Man, not a bad duo at all. So if you guys recently subscribed, you guys probably don't know, I have an S2000 as well. I've had it forever now, but it's been down for a couple years now, but I do miss it. If you guys want to see some content on that, drop a thumbs up. Or if you guys are OG, I missed the S2000, drop a thumbs up as well, because I don't know when, but maybe next year. I don't know, I really miss driving this thing. But in today's vlog, we're going to be working on the E36 again. Surprise, surprise. So since I have been driving this car more, one thing that has been bugging me is the interior. It's dirty, the seats, I don't have a door panel. It just feels kind of bunk. It just kind of takes away from my driving experience. Dude, what the fuck is that noise? Like I barely move? Just old car things. Yeah, so I just have a mess in here and it's dirty. I need a vacuum. Look at that. Ugh. And I think I'm gonna take out these mats. I don't really like them. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm gonna take these out, vacuum under, and we'll see how the carpet looks. Hopefully there's no stains. I see one right here. So yeah, hopefully we can clean up the carpet. Yeah, so really I'm just gonna take the time to really just clean up in here. And I'm probably gonna go to AutoZone and get some seat covers as well, because what is this, fam? We got this guy's old jacket in here. Yeah, nah. So yeah, we're gonna be finally cleaning it up in here and probably getting some seat covers. Just look at this. It's been bugging me every single time I've been hopping in here. I was just gonna go get some seats from the junkyard, but these are heated seats, so I don't know if I'm gonna just find them like that at the junkyard, especially in the same color. So for now, I'm gonna get some seat covers for sure. Yeah, it's kind of gross. I've been sitting in this. Just look at that, some Resident Evil type shit right here. Yeah, so we're gonna go to AutoZone. Hopefully I find some decent seat covers. But yeah, so first things first, I'm gonna clean up all the trash in here, take everything out, and then we'll take out the floor mats, and then I'll push the seat back and we'll get you vacuuming. Yeah, might as well throw this shit away. Ooh, I need gloves. Oh wow, not too bad under that mat at all. My boy was getting litty in here. What else we got in here? Huh. Kind of scared of digging my hand in here. Is that a Q-tip? Okay, well at least it's not used. All right, rear seats looking a lot better. Just got some of my brake fluid right. Is that a shit stain? All right, definitely gonna have to clean up the trunk a little bit too. Hey, shout out Max Speeding Rods again. All right, so I tried fixing the rear turn signal. It's out. I don't know why. I replaced the bulb, but it's still not working. It's kind of weird. Like I've never seen anything like this. So these are like the sockets, and then the bulbs are just in there. But there's nothing, there's not a connection or anything connected to them, but they still work. I don't know how that works. Some Euro stuff. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. Watch, I'll show you. So like, obviously works. Oh, look, it's just the socket and then no connection. There's just one main harness that goes like right here in the middle. But yeah, it's interesting. Like there's no connections to the sockets. I've never seen anything like that. But I replaced the bulb, still not working. Oh well, I'm a Beamer guy, right? We don't use signals. Alright, let's continue cleaning. Old trim for the bumper, don't need that. What's this? Looks like a storage? Huh. Well, I don't know what that goes to. Coolant, oh yeah, we're for sure leaving that in here. Oh man, this box takes up like half of my trunk, literally. Yeah, so that's my hood prop. Got some brake fluid, little funnel, extra light bulb. Leave those in there. Trunk is, outside looks better. But since we're back here, when I go to AutoZone, I'm gonna for sure get like, probably some like 2000 grit. Something really, really fine. And sand this plasti dip, I think. Look at that. This Taillight looks so good, and then you got this shit. Why can't my driver's seats look like my rear seats? I got that ray gun, homie. Oh yeah, looking way better back here. But guys, check this out. I was about to take off this jacket, and like, I feel something back here. I was looking for the pocket. Sheesh. My boy is smoking it up. All right, let's see why he decided to put a jacket over this. Oh, oh, I see why. Damn. Yeah, I'm for sure getting a seat cover. So I was vacuuming under the seats, and I was like, what is this? Is that a turd? Check this out. My boy got a dried ass nug under the seat. Sheesh. Alright, time for the front. What the hell? Oh yeah, looks so much better. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put those raggedy ass mats back in. So I haven't really been doing before and afters, but we'll do one right here. Get a good look. And after. I just have a few stains. I'm gonna have to take those out another time, but overall, a lot better. Man, I need to replace all this. The seats, the center rest. Just look at this. All right, now time to clean in here. Ooh. Yep, definitely putting the ashtray to use. Gonna clean all of this up. Alright, what is up guys? So it's actually been about 4 or 5 days since I was last vlogging. I was cleaning up the interior. As you guys can see, I got some seat covers now. I'll show you guys the seat covers more in a bit. I'm heading to the shop right now. I got some stuff in the back. So we're gonna finish up the interior, but the reason I took such a long pause was because that day I was trying to finish up the car. I was going to Vegas, so I was just trying to make the car, you know, a little bit more nicer. Yeah, but the car made it to Vegas just fine. I'm actually really impressed. The car is really solid. It's reliable. No issues at all. Just a few things I do want to freshen up since I did drive the car. So I want to replace my tie rods. They're on their way out. You can hear them clanking and stuff. And my car does an occasional coolant leak. I need to look into that as well. So that's why I'm going to swap over the car. And I'm going to take the Mustang. I'm going to take the Classic home. It's been like a week. But yeah guys, so when I head to the shop right now, I'm gonna finish up the interior. I got the door panel in the back, I got a box. I'll show you guys more of that when we're at the shop. But yeah, I'm about to drive, letting the Beamer warm up. Also been feeling a little under the weather. I don't know if you guys can hear if I'm congested or not, but yeah, it's already been a few days since I came back from Vegas, but I'm tired of just resting up. I want to get back to it. I want to upload another vlog for you guys. So yeah, we'll see who's at the shop. But yeah, let's finish up this vlog and see you guys at the shop. Yeehaw! Yeah, so we're finally at the shop. We got the Beamer. It's actually been a few more days. We've just been really busy. A lot of stuff going on. but we finally got time to finish up the interior on the BMW. So I haven't shown you guys yet, but I ended up getting some seat covers. My Beamer got some Dickies. I didn't even know they made seat covers. Pretty funny. But honestly, they don't look too bad. Looks a lot better than looking at my seats. Just for now, until I end up getting some replacement seats. Yeah, so I like them. Just simple and way easier on the eyes, for sure. You guys saw the seats, so I like them. Let me know what you guys think. So now finally, I'm gonna attempt to get this door panel on. Should go on there pretty smooth. And then we're gonna clean it up because I didn't notice how nasty this door panel was as well. I might have to just get new door panels, but I'm gonna try to clean it anyways. Have some interior cleaner, so we'll see if this comes off. I really hope it's dirt, but I mean, that's kind of nasty if it's dirt. It just might be, I don't know, it might just be gone. The material just might be gone. Oh. I knew that. On. Yeah, so I tried cleaning it. It helped a little bit, but the material here is pretty much just worn down. It's gone. So sucks. I'm actually getting a new door panel if I want it to look clean, but for now I think it'll still look better than having no door panel. Alright, so I finally got it on. It doesn't look too bad. I just wish it wasn't worn down. I'm gonna for sure have to find another set of door panels. Well, maybe just the driver. Passenger is not that bad. It's way better than this one. Stuff to put in the storage inserts, like that side, the little pouches. But I think it looks good for now. It's a lot better than having no door panel. It looked kind of bunk with just, you know, exposed and wires hanging out and everything. So it looks a lot better. Yeah, but definitely helps out the interior. Interior is definitely coming along, especially with the seat covers. But like I said, they're just for now. So now that the door panel's on, gonna clean up the interior a little bit. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's just a little dirty all around in the plastic, and then a little bit right here. Yeah, just all around. So I'm gonna clean it up, all up, get it nice and clean and shiny. I'm also gonna try to clean up the ashtray a little bit, but I think it's gonna clean up pretty good, guys. And then finally, I'm gonna try to get the shift knob on there. So like I said, I'm gonna have to grind down the little bar in the inside so that way it can grab. But yeah, we'll save that for last. So I didn't know you could take off this whole plastic piece. I was trying to clean under here before, but that's a good thing. And also, I do not know what this random light is for. Is it a light? Yeah, I really don't know what this is for. If any of you guys know, let me know, because it's pretty random. Alright, so get a good look of all that nastiness. Alright, so not 100%, but looks a lot better. It's going to be covered up anyways. So let's put back the plastics and see how it looks. I love how you can take apart like every piece. I was able to take out the ashtray, the cup holder, this whole center bezel. Pretty cool. And they just all come out so easily. Makes it really easy to clean. Oh yeah, it looks way better. The ashtray was all caked up, and yeah, looks way better. Pretty content with the progress. Interior is kind of disgusting before, but just cleaning up nicely. Alright, so I parked in the shade so I could better show you guys. But the door panel, seat covers, interior is looking a lot cleaner. Now, just need to replace this. But wow, I'm really happy. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, the seats were just looking nasty. It's just a temporary fix, but I think it looks better. Let me know what you guys think. Door panels on there. But yeah, interiors for sure coming along. I could sit in here all day now. I don't feel nasty. Now all that's left, gonna swap over these shift knobs. But if you guys have a Beamer, you guys know how much of a bitch these are to take off. So literally all you do is pull it straight up. That's literally it. But oh, cylinder. All right guys, so I pulled in the Beamer into the shop. Sheesh. So last thing I'm gonna do is that shift knob. But if you guys made it all the way to the end of the video, and also, hey, Sebastian, pull it.
What up, man?
What up? But as you guys can see, we got this giant box. I'm not gonna open it up today. I'm gonna save it for a separate vlog. I'm literally gonna do like the unboxing and everything. We'll probably test it out, but I want you guys to guess what's in this box. Just got dropped off today. It's gonna be a game changer for the shop. That's all I'm gonna say. But I want you guys to guess what's in here. And crazy how much better this interior looks. Just with the door panel, the seat covers. Wow. Now all that's left is to try to get this shift knob off. All right guys, so shift knob is finally on there. Shout out to Sebastian for helping me, but not going anywhere. It's finally on. Yeah, looks so much better than the other shift knob, but wow. I'm really happy with the interior for now. Looks a lot better than before, but let me know what you guys think. Sucks this fender is the wrong one. The car would be looking so much better with the new fender too, but it's alright, that's coming. But if any of you guys have a sedan and need a driver's side fender, let me know. I'll let it go for cheap. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Many more on the way. I know I've been kind of lagging these past couple weeks, but I'm gonna get on it. And also guys, if you guys made it, make sure to comment down below and also guess what you guys think is in this box. So if you guys enjoy, please drop a thumbs up, and if you guys are new, please consider subscribing. A lot of content's on the way, and that's all I got. So catch you guys in the next one.